Hi there, students. To get one's jollies, to get your jollies, okay? So if somebody gets their jollies, it means they enjoy something, they find something pleasurable. So he gets his jollies from driving aeroplanes, for piloting aeroplanes. Okay, so to get your jollies, to get pleasure from something. However, notice normally if we use this phrase to get your jollies, to get your satisfaction, to get your kicks, I think to get your kicks is a good synonym. It has the idea that you're getting your jollies by doing something that's a bit disreputable. Yeah, it's maybe a bit perverse. It's something maybe not very nice or not totally honest. So yeah, trolls get their jollies by insulting people online. Yeah, and that's how they get their jollies. She gets her jollies by upsetting other people. Yeah, she gets her jollies by making people angry. There are some people who get their jollies watching violent films. Yeah, I don't really get my jollies from that. So if you get your jollies, you get your kicks, you enjoy it. It's something that you think is fun. Yeah, but something that's very often something that's cheap, disreputable, not very nice. Yeah, something that's maybe a bit sordid, a little bit disgusting. Yeah, so well, yeah, if you get your jollies from something rather sordid, it's one of your little secret. Okay, so to get your jollies, to have fun or pleasure doing something, it doesn't have to be something perverse. Yeah, he gets his jollies from playing football. Some people get their jollies from cycling in the mud and rain, or other people get their jollies by doing dangerous things. Yeah, teenagers tend to get their jollies doing all sorts of rather unsuitable things. Yeah, they got their jollies by throwing paint at cars from motorway bridges. Yeah, you've got this sort of certain perverse satisfaction in doing it. Yeah, you get you get your kicks from doing it. Yeah, but I suppose whatever turns you on. Yeah, so you get your jollies, you get your happiness. Okay, so let's see. What about formality? Get your jollies. I think this is really fairly informal. I think I would give this something like 3.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, in an informal writing. Semi-formal conversation, maybe just about. I wouldn't use it in the semi-formal writing. Yeah, to get your jollies, this is really on the informal side. Yeah, I don't mind how he gets his jollies as long as it doesn't hurt anyone else. Yeah, I think people who get their jollies from hurting other people are not very nice. And then the origin of this, well, there's this French word, jolie, meaning pretty, nice, something that's pleasant. Okay, so you get your jollies, you get your niceness. I think this word jolie, from Old French jolif, merry, joyful. And this probably comes from an Old Norse word, jol, which is Christmas time. Yeah, this is Yule, Yule, Yuletide. Yeah, it's a happy time of the year. Yeah, and therefore would be related to the Dutch word jolly, happy, festive, jolly. Yeah, but really, I suppose ultimately from Latin gaudeo, to celebrate, to make merry, to rejoice. So, how do you get your jollies? Yeah, you could tell me that in the comments section. I get my jollies making videos. That's a funny way to do it, isn't it? So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To get one's jollies, to get your jollies.